Yes, friends, we'll start our session now. It's all about Azure data engineering, what it is and why it is. Let's get started. Complete practical training and job oriented activities right from the scratch, right from the very basics with end to end implementation and with DP203 guidance. The agenda for this short demo will be understanding what is database first, what is data warehouse, what is data engineering, what are the components involved, the prerequisites to take this course, to have the actual advantage out of this course technically, and the course takeaways. By the way, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice oriented classes right from the scratch, right from the basics. And the session should be to the point, pinpoint, straight to the concept. I respect your time. Yes, I'll make sure the things are clear, straightforward. We are into SQL Server trainings, SQL DBA, Data Engineer, Power BI, Fabric, and Snowflake. Now, this short demo session, it's all about the black box on the screen, Azure Data Engineering, what it is. Before we understand Azure Data Engineering, there are two types of databases we should be aware of. Yes, you're already aware of them. Let's reiterate or let's revise them. A small recap. Two types of databases at the basic level. Well, there are different types of database at the basic level. OLTP to store live real-time data, and data warehouse to store old, inactive, historical data. OLTP and data warehouse. Assume a live cricket match. The live data is there, right? That is OLTP. Live temperature data, live stock market operations. Just like a car showroom in our city. That is OLTP. Data warehouse is a godown. Old historical data, inactive data. It may also store summary data we call aggregation data, mainly for faster analytics, easy decision making, and for any kind of reporting activities and big data business analytics. Now, with this information, what is the relation between the OLTP and the warehouse? Let's observe carefully on the screen. Assume for example, you have a savings account in a bank database, loan account, and current account, and your Aadhaar or PAN, etc. So different types of data is consolidated, extracted, consolidated, masked up. I mean, formatting the data. The final result will be given to data warehouse. The final result will be given to data warehouse. And from this data warehouse, the godown, we are going to give it for reporting, analytics, data science, so on. Remember. So what is that again? Yes, we are understanding how to work with the concept of number one, database left and data warehouse right. Okay, multiple databases can push data, consolidate data into a single warehouse. Warehouse is like our godown, and as a data engineer, our responsibility to pull data and design these data warehouses. That is the actual concept here, and that is our actual course. Next, with this information, now what we are going to learn, okay, what we are going to learn in this data engineering. Let's understand here carefully. A simple, straightforward process. A simple, straightforward process. Let's understand how it is. Well, here we go. Our requirement in our data engineering process. I'll just close this diagram pane and continue. In this data engineering process, we are going to involve in data warehouse design, data orchestration and transformations, big data storage, security optimizations, and we are going to learn about end-to-end integrations and some DevOps concepts called CI/CD, that is all about automated continuous integration, continuous deployment process. Big data analytics are very important. Spark cluster, the heart of a database, the heart of a data warehouse, okay, cloud database or data warehouse. Our heart is Spark, remember that. Without Spark, no data engineering, no data science, and no big data. Our heart is Spark. Remember, a great open source technology that we are going to enjoy from scratch in our classes, technically, practically. So in our data engineering sessions, we'll be understanding right from the scratch with Azure Fundamentals, Data Factory, Synapse, Databricks, Purview, Logic apps, stream analytic jobs, and Apache Spark activities. Everything embedded, blended together carefully in a meaningful way for our job desk. So in our data engineering classes, we'll be understanding about various data sources, how to gather the data, read the data into various platforms like notebooks, pipelines, scripts, T-SQL scripts, etc. And from there, get the data into a warehouse, our actual godown. Now let's make it simple, okay? Let's make it simple. ETL is of two types. The extraction, transformation and loading activities is of two types. One is open source and other one Microsoft brand. Open source will proceed for Databricks in general, okay? And the Microsoft brand data factory pipelines will love to send their data towards something called Synapse Analytics Pool. So this actual baseline of the chemistry involved in data engineering process. And there we are going to learn the dots and the connections, do's and don'ts, recommendations, real life scenarios, and good amount of activities technically in almost every class. And we enjoy the actual data engineering game in a simple, straightforward way. So data engineers are responsible for data warehouse design. On my screen, this warehouse content is the main activity takeaway. To design data warehouse, we require notebooks and pipelines. Front end will be Power BI. What is that again? Front end will be Power BI activity. So back end data engineering, front end Power BI. So our course, box number 5, data engineering in our complete structured curriculum involves number 1, fundamentals. Number 2, Azure SQL, ETL, warehouse activities. Number 3, data warehouse, Synapse and SQL Pool with IAM, identity and access management. Number 4, storage, data lake, key vaults and stream analytics. And then comes IoT hubs, event hubs, Databricks, Spark SQL, Python, PySpark, Scala. Coming to Python, we are going to learn from the scratch. Whatever is required from data engineering perspective, we are going to love and learn from the scratch carefully, step by step. Things are very easy, super straightforward. It all depends on how much we can practice on a day-to-day basis. I'll make you love the subject, pretty sure about it. Okay? But I want you to be with me and let's embrace the technology in a simple, straightforward way. So we are into data engineering from our next class. So our lengthy sessions, really our lengthy sessions include core data engineering and the prerequisites. Yes, there are prerequisites. Make sure you revise Microsoft SQL Server TSQL, DDL, DML, select and constraints. Very important. Experience profiles. Good to have more knowledge on SQL as well. The more you have, the more we have, the more better. It's not you, it's we. Okay? We are going to learn the subject together in a simple way. I am there to guide you. It's my duty. So in data engineering, we are going to learn from the scratch data fundamentals and slowly step into ETL, data warehouse, analytics, storage, optimization, so on, including data factory, Databricks, stream analytics, etc. and end with a simple, straightforward case study first on Databricks. Another case study on data factory. Then merging together a nice extensive project for our resume. That is our actual course for core data engineering activities. If you are looking for Power BI, I need to request you to invest for another 1 month, data engineer for about 2 months, and Power BI extra 1 month for complete hands-on on the entire Power BI ecosystem, complete Power BI stack. With this information, these are the components you see on the screen. I understand, I admit, yes, the components are a bit lengthy. In fact, I did not include the components like logic apps, purview, CI/CD components, but still it is a bit lengthy. We are going to learn about 2 months time. We'll go slowly, step by step, technically with examples. Okay, let's do things slowly, step by step. And the final screen of our show today. Left side data lake storage, one supporting factor. Right side Databricks, another supporting factor. Merged together, blended together, we have this data factory. A nice, charming, beautiful component from Microsoft. For what? For data warehouse design, for data orchestration, for easy, simplified, relaxed, really relaxed, and at the same time, powerful data analytics platform. We are going to do it slowly, step by step in our classes, and further clarifications, further questions about the project that we are going to do in our classes, you can always reach me on our number. And for the end-to-end project implementation part of our data engineering training sessions, complete detailed notes, step-by-step action plan, and complete solution will be provided in our sessions. Any further questions, in case, do let me know and I'm there to guide you. I'm there to guide you. I'm glad to guide you further. So here is my number. You see my screen. 90300400801 90300400801 or reach our nice friendly team 24/7 for any kind of clarifications or questions. Glad to assist you. Just one final note. Okay, one final note. On my screen now, the complete notes for our classes. Right from the scratch, the entire course is divided into 3 modules. Data factory module, the first module, okay? Data factory module. Then second one, that is Spark and Databricks module. Number 3, storage and stream analytics module. Total 3 modules planned for 7 weeks live classes, and then comes project work for end-to-end implementations with complete solution. Part of our course, part of our sessions. We'll be doing it slowly, step by step. With this information, the entire handouts, notes, material, and very important FAQs, their solutions, part of our classes. We'll do it slowly, one to one, step by step. One to one means one by one, I mean one by one, step by step. Thank you so much, and do let me know for doubts, clarifications, if any. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.